Hi there! In today's video, we will be talking about how to get Wix website HTML code. Without wasting any time, let's jump into it. So as you can see, I am on my Wix dashboard. First, let us publish a site here. Just make sure that you are on the right site by clicking on this button. So we're gonna use this for demo site for this tutorial. And then you will just have to click on the design site button here. And then you will be directed to the editor page. So let me just publish this one. This is actually just a template here on Wix. For this tutorial, I'm just gonna publish this for a while to show you the process. I'm going to unpublish this later. But going back, once you have published your site, still on the editor page, just hover over the publish button and click view site. So this website is now live, so you just have to right-click on any part of the page and then click on View Page Source. And as simple as that, you'll be able to see the website's HTML code. That's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for joining us today and see you in our next video.